What's up folks, my name is Felix, welcome back to another video where we are going to talk about the BNB miner because I received a lot of messages of people which said they weren't able to compound, they weren't able to withdraw their earnings, and of course in the end we want to take a look at the current statistics. So let's start this video here with the fixing of the compounding or withdrawing issue. Some people seem to have issues with their network, so the BNB miner smart contract here in this case is running on the Binance Smart Chain. And if you want to interact with this homepage with a smart contract in the background, you need to add a Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask or which wallet you are using. So if you have any issues with withdrawing or compounding, you just open up your MetaMask and add the network details I'm giving you right now. So the first thing is you go to MetaMask, open the settings, then you go to networks right here, and then you have to add a network. So in this case, we are adding the Binance Smart Chain network with the Anchor RPC. So you type in exactly what you can see here. I again will link everything down in the description box. And if you have added every detail in here, you just save this network and then you can use it on the homepage to do your compounds, withdrawals, and you should not have any issues in the future. Now the second issue is, of course, if the homepage goes down for whatever reason, if you see a screen which is very similar to this one, you can still interact with the smart contract in the background because the smart contract is deployed on the Binance Smart Chain. So you should have bookmarked this smart contract down here. You just go to BSC scan and you should bookmark this page here. And once you did that, you can go to contract. Then you can go to write contract, you connect your wallet, so you just click on connect to Web3. That is basically the same function as if you go to the homepage and click on connect wallet right here, click on MetaMask or whatever wallet you're using again, and then you should see your details. And if you go to the smart contract and click on connect to Web3, you click on OK, and you connect your wallet, you can see your wallet is connected down here. And then you have 4 functions you can use. Only 2 are important for us in this video. There's a sell X transaction. So if you click on sell X and click on write, you would now withdraw your earnings from the BNB miner smart contract. You should see that your MetaMask is popping up. And once it's done, you can click confirm and withdraw your earnings. In this case, we don't want to withdraw our earnings. We want to compound our earnings. That's why we now go on HedgeX right here. And on the HedgeX transaction, you have to put in a ref address. In this case, we just put in our own address. So you just open up your MetaMask. So you just click on your address right here that it says copied. Then you go back to the field, you paste in that address, you click on write again, that the transaction pops up here. And once you did that, you can go to edit and, for example, lower your gas price to 1. I'm always doing that because it saves a lot of gas fees, especially when the gas price is set on 5. Then you just click on save and the gas price should be reduced from 5 to now 2 cents. Yeah, of course, these are just 3 cents, but in other smart contracts, this might save you even up to 40, 50 cents. And if you do a lot of transactions, this all in all saves you a lot of money. And then you can just click on confirm and this should now compound our earnings. So if we go back to the homepage, you should now see in a few seconds that our BNB, which are currently in the barrel, should be compounded back in, and I should have more miners in a few seconds. So there should be at least 14.3 quadrillion miners once this compound went through. You can see the timer, how long it takes up here. It should be around 10 seconds, 10-15 seconds from my experience. So now it went through. As you saw, I now have 14.3 quadrillion miners. It took around 10 to 15 seconds, even with the lowered gas fees. And that's exactly how you can interact with the BNB miner smart contract, even if the homepage is not available. So again, just click on the BSC scan and bookmark this page here in this case, that you have the page available in case something happened with the homepage provider or other stuff. Now, as we have these issues fixed, we want to take a look at the analytics of the BNB miner smart contract because currently it's looking good. There are a lot of people which are now compounding again. At least we see a increase of new deposits as well as a decrease of withdrawals. Here, for example, on the 31st of August, we just saw received BNB. This might have to do with the issue that people were not able to withdraw their earnings. Again, the BNB miner smart contract is completely immutable, so this has nothing to do with the dev or the founder of the project. This was just an issue probably with the Binance Smart Chain, and people were not able to compound or withdraw their earnings. And there on the 1st of September, we even saw an increase of new BNB in the smart contract. And yesterday on the 2nd of September, we saw that just 1.3 BNB left the smart contract. The BNB miner is now running 894 days. We have 581 BNB in the smart contract, and it's stabilizing again around this 500 BNB mark. As we saw it last time, the bottom was at around 480 BNB. So let's see how this plays out over the upcoming days and weeks. For example, if we take a quick look at my last video, which I uploaded 2 weeks ago here on the 19th of August, we saw that we had investors of 27.39k. Here now in this video, we already have 27,423. So over 30 new investors in those last 15 days, which is quite a good sign. People are still joining the BNB miner, putting the BNB to work and getting those up to 3% daily. So one of the oldest high reward DeFi projects is still running, still paying out, and the contract now seems to be stabilizing again, and we might see a bottom very soon. It could of course also take some more time. As you should all know, this is a contract which is relying on new funds, on new BNB, which are deposited into the smart contract. And if there's interest of people which wanted to get in, the contract will rise, the rewards will be paid out up to 3%. And if the contract decreases, you will get less than those 3% on a daily basis. So I hope that video helped a lot of people which had issues with compounding, with withdrawing, or didn't know how to interact with a smart contract. If you have still any questions, let me know down in the comment section. If you liked today's video, it would be great if you can hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.